Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Clarizz. Today I'm going to be bringing you our very first Christmas DIY. So I know everybody can be just really tight this year because you gotta buy presents and all this decoration stuff that you all want to do. In particular, I'm super picky about the simple decor and the little things that you can change so that it kind of feels a little bit more festive. I've been pillow shopping. It's been ridiculous how much pillows cost these days. I mean, one pillow can cost you up to $30. Like, can you just believe that? So I want to show you how you can decorate your pillow just using Dollar Tree items. You can use a pillow that you already have and maybe just dress it up a little bit so you can make it a little bit more festive. Also, still slowly uploading all my pre-wedding DIYs. As well, I have the second part of my Vegas bachelorette party on my other vlog channel, House of Cali, so that make sure you subscribe to that and check that out for more wedding DIYs. In the meanwhile, hope you enjoy this tutorial. For this first DIY, we're going to be using these fleece scarves that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have this fringe at the end, and so that will be really perfect if you want more of that playful look. Our first DIY is going to be a pillowcase, so I'm just using the same pillow that I'm going to be putting this case on, and we're going to be using 2 scarves for this DIY since we're not going to have enough fabric. So what we're going to do is you're going to leave a little bit of fabric all around the pillow, so about 1/2 inch to about 1 inch, and we're just going to cut the excess just like this. Now you want to take a second scarf and put that on the top, and what you want to do is line up the lines to the one at the bottom so that it kind of looks like one whole fabric that you didn't even put together. This is a no-sew project and we're just going to be using a glue gun. Now you can use fabric glue, but I didn't have that, or I couldn't find mine. I don't know where it went, so the glue gun worked really well as well. Now cut the excess of that top and make sure that you're leaving at least 1 inch or 1/2 inch so that we can glue it together. Now go ahead and take another 2 scarves and make another one for the other side. You can double check and check the sides of the pillow to make sure that there's excess fabric so that we can glue that all together once again. Now for this side, we're going to leave the slit open so that we can slip in the pillow. So we're just gluing just the sides, so just the left and the right, and then we're going to flip it over just like this. Now you want to take the first one that you made and you want to put the ugly side on top of the second one that you made, because we're going to be gluing all of this together, and then we're just going to turn it inside out so that you don't see any of the glue. Make sure that when you're gluing it together that you're right on the edge, and then all you have to do is turn it inside out like this and slip in your pillow and you're all done. I really love this, and when you turn it over, it doesn't even look like you've glued it on, and it looks like it's sewed, so it's perfect. For the next pillow decor, we're going to use a placemat that I got from the dollar store once again. This is a really nice color, and it's really nice because it's hard. It's not as difficult to cut as the fleece that we did before. So it's totally up to you. Whatever design you want to do, you can put different words. You can write joy. I did some Christmas trees, and I also did an antler, or not an antler, but a reindeer in a different color, and they look absolutely great. The placemat is really nice. I prefer it because it was so easy to cut since it's a little bit more thicker than the fleece, and so all you have to do is you can glue this on with a glue gun, again on the pillow that you're going to be using. You can get pillowcases from the dollar store, but this one I've already had, and I absolutely love how you can customize the designs on these, and they just look so adorable and super festive. How beautiful these pillows just look, and they look expensive. They don't look like they're from the Dollar Tree, so you can make different designs and customize it however way you want. Make sure you sub and also comment down below. Let me know what you think of this DIY, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!